Welcome back everyone, and now let's talk about one another principle in solid, which is LSP. So the definition of LSP is that the object of a superclass should be replaceable with object of subclass without affecting the correctness of the program. So this definition looks bit confusing at the moment, but when we'll see our code examples, then we will have the clear idea that what is meant by this definition or what the problem LSP solves. So when you apply the LSP at an architecture level, it ensures that the different system components can be replaced or extend without modifying the existing logic, right? So again, it looks bit confusing as well. So let's build our understanding and see the code example. So let's open the Visual Studio. And I have created three different classes so that I could show you that while building parent-child relation or while implementing the interface, how we violate LSP, right? So in my payment processing class, I have two methods. One is the process payment and other is validate card info. And I have created one another class which is the credit card payment, and where I'm overriding uh, these two methods here, right? So when I come to the PayPal, right? So PayPal doesn't validate the card information. So this method over here is redundant, right? So if you build the structure like this, that you define some methods in your parent class, which for some reason making no sense in your child class or in your subclass, then you definitely violate the LSP. So let's open the refactor code for this problem and see that how we can solve this problem by implementing the parent type and subtypes correctly. So let's open this one. So you can see here I have separated the functionality for processing the payment and validating the card into two different interfaces. In my iCard payment processor, I have implemented that interface. So wherever I need to process the payment as well as validate the card, I will use this interface. Or wherever I just need to process the payment only, then I will use this interface. So as per definition, what I am doing, I am replacing the objects of superclasses with their subtypes without affecting the correctness of the program. So, for example, if any new payment gateway appears, then my previous functionality will not disturb, and I will end up creating or utilizing only relevant methods in the classes. So, this is how LSP works, and this is how LSP solves the problem with your architecture.